Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, Try Dynamics. Today, let's explore Aero India 2025, where history was created, two rivals under the same sky. What you're about to see will blow your mind. Aero India 2025, Asia's biggest aerospace show, where innovation meets power and India's dominance in the sky. It's a stage where India flexes his aerospace muscles to the world. From humble beginnings to a global aerospace giant, India is taking over the skies. Aero India is not just about showcasing planes, it's about proving that India is global powerhouse in defense and aviation technology. Make in India initiative has taken flight. Powerful aircraft, drones, and advanced systems are driving India's aerospace industry to a new height. This is the future of aviation and they are building it right in India. Aero India 2025 has become a global hub for aerospace collaboration. This year, over 150 foreign companies from more than 50 countries have converged here, leading to sufficient deals and partnerships that will shape the future of aviation. For the first time in history, Aero India 2025 witnessed the Russian Su-57 and American F-35 Lightning II sharing the same stage. This rare convergence of rival fifth-generation fighter underscores India's strategic importance in global defense. India's commitment to self-reliance in defense is evident with unveiling of the full-scale model of HAL Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. This indigenous fifth-generation fighter showcases cutting-edge strength and avionics, making a sufficient milestone in India's aerospace journey. Aero India isn't just a spectacle, it's a magnet for global opportunities. Deals worth billions are made here, bringing jobs, innovation, and investments to India. Every major player in the aviation world is here because if you are not at Aero India, you are already falling behind. And the United States reinforced the partnership with India by showcasing the B-1B Lancer at Aero India 2025. This strategic bomber's presence signifies the deepening defense ties and mutual commitment to regional security. Aero India 2025 emphasized India's push towards becoming a global defense manufacturing hub with a target of over 1.25 trillion in domestic defense production and record-breaking exports. The event showcased India's growing capabilities and ambitions. Did you know India's defense export has shot up by 334% in the last 5 years? For that, India is now building fifth-generation stealth fighter. Aero India is where these game-changing technologies are unveiled for the first time. The future is already here. Aero India 2025 isn't just a show, it's a glimpse into India's aerospace future. Autonomous fighters, space tech, and next generation innovations all in one place. As the skies of Bengaluru come alive with breathtaking displays, Aero India 2025 stands as a testament to India's aerospace aspiration and collaborative spirit of global aviation community. This is Aero India 2025, the heartbeat of India's aerospace dream and the engine driving their future. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also let me know in the comments what would you like to see in the next video. Your feedback will help me to create content you love. Thanks for watching.